Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to remove or hide tagged posts on Instagram. So for this, open this Instagram app, and now what to do, go in the profile icon is the right below. So from here you will see, just click on the tagged posts. So here you will just click your tag posts, and from here you will just open any random post and click to just manage on the top right corner. You will click to just on the top right corner to manage. So when you click to the manage, so here are the posts are you tagged. So I want to delete it this, I will just click to the top right corner of select button, and I'm just select the picture which I want to remove it in the tagged photo, and just click to, if I want to hide it, so it will be removed. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.